Hi guys, today we are gonna look at the problem on our refrigerator. It's Samsung side by side. It has been leaking from the corner for a while. Tools I use for this video is a hammer and some screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips, and I use a spoon and an iron wire, and it's not necessary to have a drill, but I use it to screw it and unscrew it easier. So we're not gonna drill anything, just for screwdriver purpose. So another thing is like a few towels to dry the water. When I check inside, I just empty everything from the freezer. It is actually coming from here. As you see, the ice build up here, and I'm gonna now go ahead and work on this, and we will see how it goes. So the first step is to remove the refrigerator from the electricity and then turn off the water. So then we will go here, and after emptying all the food or other things, we just take this shelves all out. All shelves are out. Now I'm gonna use this oven tray to collect the ice. So, and as you see, there are 6 screws in the back of the freezer. So they are right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 plastic covers. We're gonna remove those plastic covers and unscrew it. Then for the top one, you have to use another tool, screwdriver or something, to just pop this plastic cover. You can use a flat one. Now I don't have a flat, the tiny one, so I'm using this flip side screwdriver. And then I'm going to go ahead and unscrew those top ones as well. So you have to carefully pull this out. I pulled it before, now it's kind of like loosened, but in my first trial, this one was coming not easily. So you have to slowly pull, because it's stick with the ice. So you have to slowly take this out. So as you see, the back has some ice built. I'm gonna melt all this ice down. But the main problem, as far as I see, is here. There is a drain, and there is no way, and the drain is completely covered with the ice. So we have to melt down this ice and then let the water go down. So the excessive water should go through the drain, but it's clogged. So we will work on this. But it is better to use a tool like a screwdriver and maybe a little hammer, but you have to be very careful, and otherwise you can damage the coil or any other piece. So I'm going to go ahead and start from the bottom, which is I always was doing before I started fixing this. So I'm gonna start breaking the ice from the bottom part, which before I even started fixing I was doing periodically because the ice was building up too much. So I'm going to use this hammer, but I'm not gonna push it hard, just slow movement. I'm gonna break the ice, just make sure something like your hand should just take this down. Let me just take it. So the screwdriver may help also. So as you see, it's now it's not sticky anymore. So I take this ice down and I clean up this. But the main problem is not this. The main problem is here. So we'll work on this. So guys, I'm gonna use a flat head screwdriver to just start loosening the ice, but it's very hard right now. I'll try hammer a little bit. I don't want to put any pieces here, so I will use hammer slowly. Yeah, this one is not easy to take a video here. But in the meantime, I'm gonna use my hair dryer. When the ice melts down, you start seeing the excessive ice is under this metal cover, but you need to be very gentle, very careful, slowly push this ice or pull this ice. So you see right here, I have some more ice underneath, and it's causing this problem as well. So I will use my hair dryer again to make sure all the ice is melted. I'm gonna dry this excessive water with a towel, and I will continue with the hair dryer to make sure there is no more ice left here. So let's do this. Hair dryer again to avoid it. After waiting a few minutes, water started going down, but it's not still fully easily going down to the line. So we have another solution for this, and I'm gonna go to the back of the refrigerator. So get down the screws. I see it's very dirty. I think we should start cleaning up this dirt, then check the other pieces. So I'm gonna clean up this. I'm gonna start cleaning up this. So I know it's too dirty. So then I will use my vacuum cleaner. Cleaning processes is not related with the leaking or the drainage, so it just since we open it, I just wanted to clean it up. So okay, so for next step, as you see this white pipe or like a hose here, so you can slowly pull this down, and then we're gonna look inside of this, and you can take this down completely. After removing this pipe, since there's nothing clogged in here, I just looked at this drainage, and then I used the metal hanger. So this is this iron wire, so just I slowly use and push inside slowly, and then but you need to be careful, because since there's an ice blocked, so then I also added water on the other side. So as soon as I break the ice and water started coming down, and just you have to be ready for with a towel and maybe another bowl. So and I got all the water down and drained here. So now when I pour the water from the other side, the water is coming down to the little pipe, so it should not be any problem. So this problem is fixed. So now I'm going to go ahead and close this, and then close to the front. So I will just put this down back, and first I will just put this one back. So from the bottom first, then to the top. So this is not very hard, it's very easy. You just put this one back. So the next step is just need to put the put this one back, the screwing process after that. as you see, it's draining easily. There is no more water accumulating here. So I'm gonna just put the cover back, and screw them, and that's it. So I will just push this back, and I will put my 6 screws on these places, and that's it. Okay guys, this is now done. I have put all the screws back and close it, and I'm gonna put my shelves back and push the refrigerator back after I turn on the water. That's really important. Don't forget to turn on your water. So then also don't forget to plug it in. It's ready to push. So if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you.